Hey guys, Czar here. Good morning to you. Happy Monday, Manic Monday, June 23rd. This is the daily frame coming into the New York session. We've got about a minute and a half to the open here. Daily frame. We have technically down day here on the NASDAQ because we broke Friday's low, but we have a very bullish body here after the gap move down in Australia last evening, New York time, and really have been kind of firm ever since. Same thing on the S&P. We have an inside day bullish body on the Dow. That's the least bearish of the three, funnily enough. On the 30-minute chart, guys, here for the NASDAQ, you can see that we are here in the middle of the span of travel that took us from the low on the partial day of Thursday. It was a holiday, if you remember, to the high. So this is kind of like the span of travel of the daily candle, which is from here to here. And this is included, of course, in the bottom of that. So it really is this height here. You can see we're right in the middle there. And anybody's guess here on the open, we had a push up sideways in Asia, pushing up through London, finding resistance here at the 618 Fibonacci retracement of the down leg here, if you follow that kind of stuff. And a very similar picture here on the S&P. And we are now open on New York. I'll bring you back in a bit. And there's the 1 minute open range, guys, on the NASDAQ, 32 points, very modest. And 8 3/4 points, call it 9 points on the S&P. I do have renovations going on in my home today, guys. I'm expecting workers to arrive any moment and interrupt this party. I will be here as much as I can and try to update you when I can. On the 1 minute chart, guys, this is the London open range, and you can see that we are now trying to pull down below it, having no trouble doing so. There's the New York open range, almost the same as the London one. So this is an interesting level, this whole thing in here. Nothing for me to do here, guys. Going to be very patient. Reading from left to right, guys. Daily 30-minute, 1 minute chart. The daily, of course, is a technical down day, but we have a bullish body, so kind of a mixed picture there, but certainly feeling kind of firm and bullish coming in here. The 30-minute chart's telling us a slightly different picture with a lower high here after pushing up, having an upside down V reversal here in the London session. The selling really began in earnest at 5 a.m. New York time. Found a little bit of support here, partial pullback, about 3/4 of the span of travel, and now driving down. We do have high impact news, guys, at 9:45 a.m. It's now 9:36 a.m. Pulling back right into the open range here on the S&P, guys, into no man's land on the NASDAQ between VWAP, that's the futures contract, VWAP, and open range. And no man's land doesn't mean no trade land for me. It's just something to be aware of and to be cautious about. Curious to see if that will hold. That's a big bottom wick there, guys, for now. News in 7.5 minutes. Just bringing out a marker here, guys. Doing some measuring. I'll tell you if I go live here, guys. Not live yet, that's for sure. Would like to see a nice pullback here first. All right, buy stop order here, guys. Buy stop order. EMAs, positive moving average configuration, 9 above 21, rising EMAs. EMAs have cleared the open range. A massive bullish 30-minute candle with a large bottoming tail engulfing 2, 4, 6, 8, 7 or 8 candles here, guys, in one candle. See that? Big wraparound engulfing. Basically, most of the London session has been engulfed by the first candle that started off very bearish and then shifted to very bullish, in line with the very strong daily candle. I have 2 units of doubt. One is a fairly extended move here. The momentum here is clearly very much in favor of the bulls. The other one is rallying into this zone. The good news is this zone here, guys, as you can see, was only tagged by 3 wicks here on option expiration Friday, a very choppy sideways grind. And I'm in, guys, and I'm in. Sideways grind here, guys. And this, of course, is a London zone. New York can blow away London zones. This was a Fibonacci retracement at 618 of the leg down. That was fulfilled. It was rested. Pressure was taken off of the stretched elastic. And now we're having a renewed buying campaign going on above 2 open ranges, which is also, of course, a bullish structure. And now it's the waiting game. I think it's important to remember, guys, that most setups are far from perfect, and there will always be units of doubt, sometimes significant units of doubt. But if the units of conviction are stronger than your stack of units of doubt, then sometimes it's worth tossing the weighted coin and calling heads. And target 1 has been hit, guys, and so the 1R all or nothing trader has left the game with full profits, and the 2R move stop to break even at 1R has moved their stop to break even because we hit 1R. Now we'll wait and see what happens to the rest of this trade. You can hear my renovators in the background there, guys. I will try to bring you back if I can. Otherwise, I'll just show the visual of how this trade turns out, whether we come back and hit my original stop or complete some of these levels. And target 2 has been hit, guys, and so the 1.5R all or nothing trader has left the game as well. Hey guys, we're back, and as you can see, we're about to, there we go, just hit my entry level. And so the 2R move stop to break even at 1R has been stopped out at break even. And we're back, guys, pulling back fairly quickly here, about to hit my original stop, in which case we will have a 1R winner, we'll have a 1.5R winner, we'll have a break even, and only 1 charge for the most aggressive trader looking for 2R all or none. We got very close, but no cigar. But a profitable day here nonetheless. And there it is, guys. Thanks for joining me. Appreciate you. Have an amazing day. We'll talk to you soon.